God is omnipresent because the presence of God is everywhere. It must be where you are too. Where we are, the presence is. Where we are, the presence is. We may deny this, like Peter, or try to run away from our destiny, like Jonah, but we cannot run away forever. God is always knocking at your door. It is done unto you as you believe. What are you choosing to believe in? Believe in your greatest good. Find your purpose. Or if you already find it, then maintain it. Continue along that journey. Bring others, teach others, love others, and know that all things are possible to him who believes.